It's your girl Grace Brian with the Beyond Gray Show. The Beyond Gray Show. The Beyond Gray Show. The Beyond Gray Show. I know you rocking. I see you rocking. Um, Make sure you subscribe, y'all. We're gonna do another unboxing. Today is gonna be fun. As you can see, I'm very festive because Thanksgiving is over and it's time for Christmas. So you dig my little red shirt and my green background. Yes, honey, I'm in that Christmas spirit. But we are gonna get into this unboxing of some hair. The hair was actually free. I stood in line for a Black Friday grand opening at Beauty Trend ATL. Beauty Trend ATL. I will have their link below. I'll try to link their website below and whatnot. But very nice owners, and they gave away bundles. They gave away 3 bundles to the first 50 people, and they also gave free wigs to the second set of 50 people. So that was pretty cool. Got some bundles, and I got some straight bundles. I haven't did a straight wig in a long time, so I'm excited about it. Anyways, so keep watching this video if you just want to chit chat with me and watch me unbox. The name of this hair is Yolo. Yolo, you only live once, 365. You only live once, 365. Yolo 365. And it came in a package like this. Y'all, this was free. God is good. There is a God, honey. There is a God. This was free. Yolo 365. I think this particular package is usually about $80. Don't quote me on that. Alright, so it comes in a 10, a 12, and a 14 inch. And it's Yolo 365, 100% human hair, natural virgin hair. Shed free, tangle free, bleach, dye, perm. You can do all of those things. It's 7A grade hair. So let's start with the 10. Let's get into this, honey. Let's go this way. I'm gonna unbox it. I just want to see how it feels. I haven't had it does smell like perm. It does smell like chemicals. But that's to be expected, I guess. It was free. But it feels like it's been permed, kinda like it's been permed. This particular bundle feels and smells like it's been processed and permed, which I'm pretty sure it has been, even though it says even though it says unprocessed, I'm pretty sure it's processed because it smells like perm. Anyways, this is a 10 inch, y'all. And I haven't had a 10 inch bundle in so long, y'all. I don't think I've ever had a 10 inch bundle. I've always bought in the past, if I needed a 10 inch, I bought it in packages. But this is a 10 inch bundle. I might do like a little cute bob with this. Buy me a closure and do a cute little middle part with this. I'm excited about this little hair though. Then we got the 12. Let's see how that 12 smells. Okay, this one feels way better though. This one feels, oh my gosh, it feels so good. It feels so soft and not rough. It don't have a smell like the 10 inch. This is a 12 inch bundle. Could be a little bit thicker on the ends, but hey, it was free, so 'tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. So, and then the 14 inch. 14-inch. This is soft too. This is really soft. I'm loving the way this feels. And it doesn't have a smell. So I guess it was just a 10-inch bundle that had the smell. But this is cute. I think I'm gonna make me a cute bob with this. And I might have some of my real hair out at the front, if I can keep it from not curling up. Anyways, y'all, this hair it's okay because it was free. It's cute. I know what I'm gonna do with it. So 3 free bundles. So thank you, Beauty Trends ATL, for the free bundles. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing with me. Quick little unboxing. Y'all have a great day and happy holidays.